Hi everyone, today we will be discussing about Tagshop, which is the best UGC e-commerce software, or you can say like user generated content software. So you can head over to the link in the description to simply get yourself extended free trial as well exclusive bonuses. Now jumping onto the platform, you can see a really nice dashboard with a lot of stats. I have currently connected my account to this to have better analysis. So if you head over to your content, you will be able to see the content I post on my social media for my viewers. So it will be analyzing everything, and it is, you can see, showing each and every detail in here. So if I head back to my dashboard, you can see we have our business overview, we have our gallery count, feed count, and everything is being displayed in here. You can also publish your assets, publish on website pages, shop on bio, and it is going to be enhance the productivity that you are generating. And even if you want to generate more content, it is going to be providing you a really dynamic in-depth review about your platform. So you can see your websites, so you can even create and simply create this type of reels segments. You have modern sliders and everything in design here, so you can simply generate that as well. Now if you head over to email campaign, you can do that as well. So let me simply discard this. Now we are on our email campaign section, and here you will be able to create your emails campaign. Basically, you can see the design interface is again opened up and everything is being displayed nicely in here. You can also head over to shop.bio, which is an amazing integration that this platform offers. Now just wait for a couple of seconds until it loads up. Alright, so meanwhile it is loading, let's just head over to the next one, that is creators. So there you can simply explore different creators. Let me just try refreshing, and so here, as you can see, the analytics which are related to total posts and total visitors, total post clicks, and much more. So adding on to the site, Tagshop, let me show you some amazing reviews it got. So you can see Tagshop is perfect tool for all my business needs, one-stop platform for all user generated content and brand public perception. And Tagshop's shoppable galleries improve sales and AOV by 13% a month, and much more. So really amazing platform in general. Make sure to give it a try to Tagshop using the link in the description below to get yourself extended free trial as well exclusive bonuses. So something that you should not miss out. That is it for this video. Thank you so much, and see you guys in the next one.